Welcome to this WordPress tutorial on how to move a widget in a matter of minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to reposition a widget on your WordPress site quickly and easily using the built-in site editor. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once you see your site's homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. When you click on this login option, you are taking the first step to accessing the administrative area of your site. After clicking login, a window will prompt you to sign in. For a smooth experience, choose the option labeled Continue with Google. Doing so allows you to connect using your Google account credentials. This integration simplifies the authentication process so that you can jump directly into editing your site without having to remember additional passwords. Following a successful login, direct your focus to the Quick Link section. This area is designed for speed and efficiency, giving you direct access to common tasks on your site. Look for the Edit Site link within this section. Clicking on Edit Site will transition you to the site editor interface where you can make changes to the layout and design elements of your website. Once inside the editor, locate the widget block that you wish to move. In the interface, this block represents a section of your site that you can manipulate. By clicking on the widget block, you are selecting it as the object to work on. Doing so makes it visible and ready for adjustment. After you have selected the widget block, look towards the navigation bar in the editor. In this part of the interface, you will see a set of 6 dots. These dots are designed to indicate that additional options are available for customization. Clicking on the group of 6 dots will expose further controls related to the widget's functionality and placement on your site. This part of the process is essential as it prepares the widget for repositioning. Now that the necessary controls are activated, the next part of the process involves dragging the widget to its new position. Click on the widget and hold down the mouse button while you drag it across the screen. Carefully move the widget into the desired location on your page. As you drag it, you will notice that the editor guides you with safe drop zones where the widget can be placed. Once you have navigated the widget to the correct spot, release the mouse button to drop it into place. This repositioning technique offers an intuitive way to update the design of your site without needing to change any code. It is especially useful for making layout adjustments on the fly, giving you the ability to keep your site's appearance fresh and well organized. Each of these actions is carried out within a few simple steps, making the overall process quick and effective. With the widget now repositioned, you have completed the task. This straightforward method ensures that your site remains visually appealing and that changes can be made in a matter of minutes using the WordPress editor. Enjoy the ease and flexibility of customizing your site with this simple yet effective technique.